will print, the while statement will loop every time its condition is true. For an if statement, it only happens once, and if its statement is true, it'll print. Notice this didn't happen for all of our other times through this loop. And so this is really powerful when writing video games, when you want a condition to happen. Like if you are playing Battleship, you should only say hit if the guess was a hit, and otherwise you could say miss. So we could say else it is not plus friend's birthday. And again, I'm adding these strings to stitch them together. All right, so let's run this.